protect the identity of her son or tell you her name. But this Trelawney mother says her 7-year-old son came home last week Monday and told her 4 male students, 3 she said of her son's age, along with an older boy, held him down while he was using the bathroom and inserted a piece of stick in his rectum. The mother said she went to were called in, but contends that she was not satisfied with how the situation was handled by the school.
Principal said nothing no happen. Guidance counselor said nothing no happen. So what is this in my child underpants? What is this?
Oh, and when the news team went to the school, the principal and guidance counselor refused to comment on the matter.
They complained and no one never was answering me, and I get out of the station yard and policeman said, come out of the station yard, come out. I'm sick and tired of you. And the policeman run me out of the station yard. Come out. And I leave out of the station yard. Said time I saw a jeep coming.
So this mother had her son sexually assaulted by 4 boys at a school in Montego Bay. The school didn't want to do anything to help her. She went to the doctor and they found a piece of stick in the boy's rectum. They had to take out, she had to spend $10,000 on medication for her son. Then she went to the police station and they arrested her for disorderly conduct. Mr. Powell, you is one liar. So they said on Wednesday, Divisional Commander for Trelawney, Dwight Powell, told the Gleaner that the order came from a nearby court because the mother was irate and her behavior caused disturbance at the court. The woman was never at the court. She was at the police station. So the court put out a statement and said, the court management service has challenged a claim from the police that the instructions to arrest the mother of a 7-year-old boy who was allegedly assaulted by older boys last week in Trelawney came from a nearby court. The court management service said there was no such order from the presiding judge or the court in relation to the matter. So Mr. Dwight Powell is one big dirty liar. Okay? He didn't get any court order to arrest the woman. You see how corrupt and polluted Jamaica criminal system is. This lady went to get help for her son, but instead of helping her, they locked her up. I hope none of these police officers don't have no pitney, because me they tell you, if this was my child, after they lock me up, they would have come lock me up because of murder. Remember me tell you that. This shows you that Jamaica's judicial system or court system or policing system need to be revamped. These people are so disrespectful and they lack ethical, like them can't do them job, not even if you pay them the right amount of money. Like, me can't even talk the way me upset. Everybody that sees this story needs to be outraged. Jamaican people is out here making petitions for zingers. You need to be making petitions about stuff like this. Okay? This is the stuff that's happening to our kids. That's the future generation. Please, somebody please call Indocom. Please, me I beg you no. Please. And also that principal and guidance counselor need to be fired ASAP. Somebody please make one GoFundMe. Call Indocom. Call everybody who wanna